Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'll be doing a hair update. It's my 30-year anniversary almost. February like 27 will be 3 years since I like cut all my hair off, like I shaved my head. I'll insert a picture like somewhere on the screen. So yeah, it's literally almost 3 years, so I wanted to mark the anniversary even though it's like the end of January right now. 3 years post big shave. My hair has grown, but at the same time I really don't moisturize my hair enough. I really don't take care of my hair, so I feel like I could have retained more length if I was taking better care of my hair, but whatever, it's not that serious to me. It's just hair. So today I'm gonna do a silk press and like trim my ends because I haven't trimmed my hair in a very long time. Lighting situation isn't very good. My hair's in a little bun thing. I don't know what that is, but, yeah. My hair's in a little bun. Okay, so I'm going to just like show you guys what it looks like and how it turns out. I'm gonna take like the hair ties out so y'all can see it, but yeah, we're gonna just like go inside so I can actually start doing my hair, and hopefully I'll answer all the questions that you have regarding my hair, and y'all will see like what it's looking like before she actually like trims it, because I'm sure my hair needs trimming, definitely, because I don't think it's very even. So we're gonna do that, so keep on watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, most importantly. Yeah, I want to do a treatment. Something to make my hair more hydrated because it's really dry.
Okay.
So that's what I want to do, a hydration treatment.
Okay, that's fine. You got to use this Amazon smoothing treatment, and you got to use a mineral mousse. It's for all type of hair, and have the sea minerals. It's very good.
Can I see the other one? I can zoom in on it.
For the treatment, what do you like to do?
This shampoo we go to let it sit like about 10 minutes, and after we go to the mask and we go to let it sit I think the same time.
Oh, so 10 minutes for the shampoo, and then the mask is another 10 minutes?
10 or 15 minutes.
Okay.
Porque realmente lo que hace es como que soltar el cabello.
Claro,
soltar el
lo hace
frizz.
crecer, le da muchacha los ingredientes que...
Okay guys, so I'm doing the shampoo treatment. We're gonna be under here for 10 minutes, and then she's going to rinse, I think, and add the hydration, and that's another 10 to 15 minutes under the dryer, and then we're gonna start with like the silk press. But I opted for this treatment because my hair is like really dry. So hopefully when this is done, we're like okay, so now we're doing the hydration mask, and she's literally just like detangling and adding the mask, and it's definitely helping. I can see it already, like my hair looks less dry, so thank God for that. So that's what we're looking like. And guys, I don't know why I look so freaking burned. I literally started using these new products and they told me to use sunscreen, and I have not started using sunscreen, so I feel like I'm looking like I have a sunburn. I don't know. Okay guys, so this is my hair freshly washed. It looks so short and not there, but yes, it's supposed to string. Oh, and that helps your hair when you're doing a silk press. Yeah.
Una gente que haga esos videos, yo no puedo trabajar.